more iron. What's the other one? Bit of iron. Solid. That looks like a tool. That looks like a tool. There's a hole there. That's part of like a jack. Like undo the
Oh yeah.
nuts. There's a hole there.
Yeah.
And a hole there. Can't see the other bit. Maybe it's on this side.
Good job.
Okay.
Josh is pulling up something, and let's see what he's got.
So it doesn't get caught underneath. Yes.
Let's see what Josh pulls up.
Hey Dad.
Oh wow, that's for the
Pole.
yeah, to do the
Fence.
scaffold together.
Let me have a look.
Fence.
Good find, good find.
Well done, Josh.
Well
It
done.
must be when they build the thing.
Again, Joshua's pulling something out. See what's on the end. Looks like it is looks like it's a steel pipe. Solid piece too. Very corroded. We've got
Oh, the rest
steel
of the
pipe.
scaffolding.
More scaffolding by the looks of it.
This was a telescopic leg. Hang on, you're going to get caught underneath and lose that. That's a big one. Have a look, Alice.
Yeah,
Look.
I can't get it, Bubs.
No, you can't. Look it over. Don't worry about your eyes. It's what the lens catches. It's a big Rio bar, John.
Here comes the big bar now.
Okay, that's yours. Pull the rest out. That's a big one. Okay, I'll take that off, John. Put that over there.
So these are our findings at Ropes Crossing. A lot of iron, a lot of steel bars. So that's our little finding today.